Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom SMS tone for iPhone 4 and iOS version 4.3.5 is also supported. So first of all we're going to go to desktop. Here I have three files for you guys. One is mp3 to AIFF, and secondly Ifunbox, and the third one the tone which I desire to make my SMS tone. Heard it once. See, my SMS tone is about 10 to 15 seconds because if you open the SMS, the message you received recently, the tone does not start of its own until it ends. So, first of all, open mp3 AIFF and add mp3 audio 2012 my best, and go to convert to AIFF. Select a drive, make a new folder, name it SMS tone, whatever you want, and OK. Done. So simple. Close it. Now open Ifunbox. Select your device, and next you go to raw file system. Here next we are going to go to system, library, audio, qiuck sounds, and now here see it clearly. Here are the names of the file you find in the new iPhone 4 OS firmware, and the file names are telegraph, suspense, spell, tink, tiptoe, stock, and the seed extension it's .caf, and the file we recently converted is on AIFF. Now what you're gonna go to my computer, the folder which you named, and your destined folder, in other words, that is where you made the file. MySG SMS. Here's the tone. So what I'm gonna do is next is rename the file. Rename it to Bloom. B should be capital. It's exactly the same as written in the iPhone 4. BLOOM. .caf, not AIFF. Rename it to .caf. Yes. Next, go to Ifunbox. Second one. So rename it bloom.caf.dak just for the backup purpose if you want the original one back. Okay. Now just drag the new created one in here. See, here's the original one, bloom.caf, and here's the backup. Now device safe removal. Please remove your device safely. And next I'm going to show you on my device what it works or not.